Is I'm going to go over this sump pump, and what this is a 1.5 horsepower sump pump, and it is a submersible sump pump that is also portable. And looking over it here, here's the box it came in. The amperage, it needs at least 7.5 amps. Now I have the Veto Man power bank over here that I'm going to use to push this thing. You get a 25-foot hose with it for pumping the water out, and a 25-foot power cord with it. This right here is the connection for your hose. You get 2 hose clamps and a little owner's manual there. You will need a flathead screwdriver to tighten down the clamps there. So let's go ahead, let's put this thing together, get it all set up. I've got a 5-gallon bucket out here. We're gonna see how quick. It's actually been raining for about 2 days now. We've got a lot of water, so we'll see if we can get this thing pumping. Got this right here. This is your fitting. So this fitting is going to go right in here like this. And this is all threaded fittings. You don't need to use any type of thread tape or anything like that. Get it nice and tight, right like that. This fitting's going to go on top. Get your hose clamp. The hose just slides on there like that. Okay, so we used the flathead screwdriver, got it tightened up there. Then we got the hose, we'll run it out and we'll pump out some water. So let's get the pumping, get the power bank ready. So this is completely off grid right here. Let's put this, now when you plug this thing in, it starts pumping right away. Right here, you can see 184 watts. Now let's just drop it down in there. Okay, so I just put it in here. It took a minute to get started. I thought something might be wrong. Check out what the hose is doing, everybody. Well, that emptied the bucket pretty fast. I'm just gonna push it right out here. So you see what it's doing right there? Look how quickly it sucked all that up. Look how tight the hose is. Oh yeah, so you got 25 foot of hose, so it's actually dragging all of it. Look how quickly it emptied this whole 5-gallon bucket down. Y'all remember how deep that was? Look at it now. So if that was the floor of your basement or like your pond or something like that, that would be quick. Now it looks like once it gets down to this point, it starts sucking air. And it seemed the max that it pumped out, the max wattage was 300 watts of power on the power bank. So it's got this bucket almost completely dry. There it is. And to turn it off, there's no on and off switch. You just unplug it. And that's it. So I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think this would be a great option for anyone that just needs to have, you know, a sump pump for any type of flooding disasters or a swimming pool that they want to empty out real quick. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Limodot, you know, sump pump. See you on the next video.